What's up, guys? So, on this video, I'll be analyzing USD CAD. So, that is the dollar and the Canadian dollar with you guys. So, what is happening basically here? Here, what's happening is that uh, I'm on a weekly time frame right now, right? I'm currently on a weekly time frame, and here is a strategy that I'm gonna show you guys how I trade my price actions using support, resistance. I mean support and resistance and trend line, right? So with support and resistance, guys, it repeats itself on higher time frames and lower time frames. We use these tools on higher time frames and lower time frames, basically. That's what I'm saying right now. So right now, obviously your boy is on weekly time frame. I'm currently on weekly time frame, and y'all guys can see that I've already done my analysis on weekly time frame. So this is what is happening, guys. This is what is happening on this chart. Price repeats itself continuously. You know, history repeats itself. That's how price moves. So we gather the information from the past, right? Right now price is currently here, right? We are all obviously at the higher areas. Why? We are at the resistance areas. Every time when the market comes and touches this area here, it drops. And when it comes here again, it dropped. When it came here again, it dropped. So, and every time when the market comes on this lows here, which are the support areas, it goes up. Here, support area, it goes up. Support area, it went up. So now what happened here recently, January earlier this year, what happens 5 months ago is that price pushed to the downside. It's just been pushing to the downside, creating that touch there, uh and also creating a new change of a trend. The trend, all of a side, all of the time, it was a bull trend, right? It was a very bullish trend on a weekly time frame until we got a breakout recently, on the first week of May and the last week of uh the last week of May and the first week of June, right? So what am I expecting, guys? I'm expecting for price, obviously, since price broke nicely here. Because if you guys can see, ne, price pushed to the downside beautifully. It gave us a beautiful pattern, right? It created a false breakout here. A lot of people, they got in with their positions, and price decided to trap them, and then it dropped, came back again, thinking they maybe we are going to recover the losses. We are still respecting this high here, and it dropped, breaking this low. Once price broke this low here, that's when we knew that there's a change of direction on this chart, right? There's a change of direction, meaning we are no longer interested in going to the upside. We are interested in going to the downside. Why? Because price broke the previous low of on of the candle, right? It broke the previous low structure of the candle, which is this guy over here, the one that I'm pointing at. So once it did dead on this level here, on this areas here, this candle here, this whole week it's been breaking this sky, came back the following week, tried to retest. It traded right below those areas there. Further time went on, and then price came back and retested, fully retested those areas. the broken areas again, which was support became resistance pushing to the downside, price pushing to the downside, creating a new low. So this new low, I've already highlighted it as you guys can see. I've written I'm expecting for this low to break eventually this week. It's NFP week, the first week of the month. It's actually this week, as much as the date it's the 30th, but tomorrow it's the new month, which is a Tuesday, and we have news. Besides the news, structure is saying that price should expect a break to the downside, right? We've got a retest there. We got our breakout of the trend, the bull trend, and yeah, guys. I mean, I'm still on a weekly time frame. Imagine if I go on a lower time frame. You see, so that's how I use my support and resistance. To those who say support and resistance doesn't work, I don't know what you guys are saying, because every strategy has a support and resistance as well as trend lines. So I don't know. I don't know. If I go on a lower time frame on daily time frame, because we are from the weekly time frame, right? So on daily time frame, what is structure telling us? Let's see what is structure saying to us. Structure on those highs, on that touch, it created a beautiful double bottom, a double top, right? This is a double top formation. Double top formation. It starts here. Okay, sorry. Let me do this. It starts there. As much as it is skewing, but it's a double top formation. Breakout, retest, continuation to the up to the downside. So why am I saying it's a double top formation, guys? If y'all guys can see, as much as it's not an equal top, but there's an equal formation here that is happening right there. Aibo. That is a double top. For me, that is a double top. Structure doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to give you a perfect shape. So as much as if your naked eye can see that this thing is a even price, then it is a double top. So go with it. As much as price push to the downside. So right now, guys, we are just going to follow the trend and eventually push. Expect price to push to the downside, and we are looking for our sell opportunities on those areas here, which is quite not too far from where we are right now, from where price is right now. If I go down on a lower time frame, this will be the last time frame that I go to. I'm not gonna go down on 1 hour or minutes. So yeah, you guys can see how the market opened today on Monday, an hour ago. So price price did push to the upside. Guys, don't get confused. I'm still using support and resistance. I'm just using support and resistance and trend line. That's all. That's all. This is my trend line, right? Come on, guys. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Right, that's my downtrend, and obviously if that's my downtrend, this is an expectation of a breakout. This must break. I'm just gonna say it's a breakout trend, line that has to break. I'm waiting for price to break that level there. This is USD CAD using the same strategy that I'm using on indices. So the same strategy that I use on indices is the same strategy that still can work on currency pairs. It doesn't matter whether you are trading currencies or you are trading whatever. The strategy is 100%, guys. All you need is patience and proper risk management. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Do what is right. Sharp.